Good evening. So ladies and gentlemen, what do you get when you get 4 young people who happen to be graduates? One, I'm a copywriter, Ayan is a journalist, sports journalist, Lulama is an IT specialist, and Asanda is a professional actress. Well, you get Ikambo Media, which is what I'm going to be talking to you about. Ikambo Media consists of an online as well as an analog radio station that is already operational. It's been 5 months now. And then we're also planning next year, another element to Ikambo Media is a digital TV channel, which we're planning to launch in around about June next year. So what I want to be talking about right now to you is why Ikambo FM is actually going to work, as opposed to any other youth-ran or community-ran radio station. Now, our main focus is everyone who's sitting there is under 30. Well, I'd like to think I'm over there, but anyway, everyone who's sitting there is under 30. Okay, so it is a youth-ran radio station. But our main focus is to actually give back the skills that we've acquired as people from these 4 different areas. One, that's Richards Plain, Samora Michelle, Delft, Philippi, and all other areas that we can actually get online. Why analog though? Why didn't we just go straight online? That's mainly because in the areas that I've mentioned, what we realized is that all these people actually have radio sets in their houses. Now, as a young person, why is it important for me to actually listen to the radio? One, we know that as much as we do listen to radio online, but in terms of news and all other important aspects of developing us, we also still watch television the old way and also listen to radio the old way. That's why we remained with the analog on one side. Now, why do we also have an online side to it? That's mainly because that's what is happening right now. Gareth Cliff did something well when he went and decided to do what he did, which you all know, I'm Radio, Cliff Central. And then we also look at other radio stations that we're possibly competing with. How are we different? One, we have a 50-50 when it comes to language. That's your Xhosa as well as English. Now, with this said, in the areas that we cover, what we've looked at is mainly we're dealing with people, young people, who are educated in the sense that they are graduates, which is exactly the majority of people who actually work in the Ikambo FM media, especially the radio station. It's people who have gone to school and they are graduates, but then they're not finding work in the aspects that they wanted to work in. Therefore, what do you do in that case? Now, what we decided to do was to open this platform for young people who actually have a skill in media to come through and actually help out what they can. What we've achieved so far in that 5 months is to try and get at least 3 advertisers, of which all of them have been interested in advertising within Ikambo Media. Now, why are we actually even implying that we will be launching a digital TV channel next year? That's mainly because we also looked at the fact that when you look at a business in terms of media, it was not only for us to share one skill, we wanted to do something else that is being launched in South Africa next year, and that's digital television. So with all that, ladies and gentlemen, yeah, that's about it.